Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure core prerequisites are met. Install the Sara app and sign in. Enter your email and complete verification, then add a phone number if required. Once signed in, set a secure PIN and enable 2FA for account safety. Make sure to accept essential permissions, location and notifications, so features run correctly. If you're on limited data, switch to Wi-Fi before heavy downloads. This gets you to the app's main dashboard, ready for the next steps. Once on the dashboard, configure core features to match how you work. Tap Settings, then personalize your home feed, select topics and set update frequency so you see what matters. Next, connect integrations. Link your calendar and cloud storage so Sara can fetch documents and schedule events. Make sure permission scopes are clear when granting access. Then edit your profile, set a display name and privacy level. This controls what others see. After that, test one integration to confirm sync is functioning. To finish, run a quick guided tutorial or create a sample task so you can observe end-to-end behavior. Verify notifications arrive and integrations sync files or events. Once satisfied, enable backup and auto-sync so settings are preserved across devices. If something goes wrong, first restart the app and check that required permissions remain granted. Then clear the cache and confirm your OS and app are updated. If syncing still fails, unlink and relink the integration. This often resolves token or authentication errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.